Have you ever wondered how big of a power supply you need? Here we're going to convert the amps to watts. The formula is simple. Watts equals amps multiplied by volts. For example, if you have a 5-volt power source and a device that draws 2 amps, how many watts does it use? Plugging in the numbers, watts equals 2 amps multiplied by 5 volts. And there you have it. The device uses 10 watts of power. Understanding this conversion is super useful for calculating the power your devices need to work safely and efficiently. Now, let's take it a step further into the real world of holiday displays. Here we have a controller that is powered by 5 volts. We want to control 16 50-count LED pixels. Each strand pulls 3 amps at full power. That is a total of 48 amps. Take that times 5 volts, and we have 240 watts. Now you know that you will need a power supply that is greater than 240 watts to run all your lights at 100%. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks.